We like to trick the masses. Gonna use a little spit. That's why I never made it as a beauty channel.
Bevuta bevolută, ce cuvinte arătată, lupta credinței. Mai luptă, frate, luptă, mai luptă, nu te da bătut, spre țara luminii înainte.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to introduce myself really quick. I am Abby and I wanted to explain about the stay home and in quarantine. This is a recent video, but I am an essential employee. Whatever that means, I don't really know, but I am an essential employee, so I work at the airport and I am still being able to work now. I know that this is a blessing and it's awesome. That is why this footage is not old. Like, this is not old recycled footage. This is from the month of March. Yeah, I just wanted to explain that really quick and into the video.
Sometimes if I'm feeling extra ambitious and well rested, I tempt winged eyeliner. I mean, maybe it don't look that good, but here's the thing. Can you do winged eyeliner at 2 a.m. at 2:30 a.m.? That's what I thought. It is 2:30 a.m. So I might regret this. Other than my contacts, I don't really put anything on and I generally just go, but I'm feeling a little bit fancy. It's my last day of work. It's my Friday, so we're gonna celebrate. Use a good old lick. I mean, I literally have it like in this little package thing to put down your brows, but I don't ever really use it, you feel me?
That's why I never made it as a beauty channel.
So, oh wow, that's way too freaking dark, but you know, those are my true feelings about being awake at this time, so. I look like an egg. Then we are gonna make the other one just as dark, because everybody thinks I have dark eyebrows. I actually don't. Wow, lies. Well, let's do it with the left hand. Can you see what I do with the left hand? Not really. All right, we like it. We like a catfish. Check it out. Cute. I have eyebrows. Adorable. Whenever I am home or going out with friends or filming a video or going to church or going to a wedding or going to some event where I want my hair to look popping, it never does. It's stupid. Being a girl is stupid a lot of the times. So it looks amazing at work and then I just have to put it up. I'm going to use one of my racially inclusive ponytails, I forgot the name for a second, to probably just do a bun. I don't really know. Yesterday was really windy, so I tried to do my fat bun and it kept blowing out because the wind was that strong. So I thought the camera was zoomed out all the way. It wasn't. Now it is zoomed out all the way and you can see that I look like a founding father. Where was I going with this? The final step, putting on mascara. It do make your eyelashes fall out a little bit, like if you wear it a lot or if you have a crappy brand, which I do. I don't even know what brand this is because the thing rubbed off. I want to say it's Maybelline. Who knows? Who cares? Haha, what a good camera angle. So I'm putting Vaseline on right now on my eyes. It is 2 a.m. Not that that is safe at all. It actually recommends not to put around your eyes because it is a petroleum product. But here we are living our best American life because screw the FDA. What? Protection? They're trying to protect us? I don't believe it. I don't believe it. So you put this in because the mascara comes off, it goes on easier and it will come off easier. But also sometimes I be looking a little slimy and I feel like people think I'm very greasy and oily, which I can be. I can be. You feel me? I can be. But generally it's because I went a little too heavy on the moisturization, you know what I'm saying? Kinda like I moisturized too much, or I just got too into the hydration part of my beauty routine. It's not a cute look. It's not a good look. We don't appreciate it. We're not here for it. We're not supporting it. We're not gonna subscribe to it.
I gotta leave in like 3 minutes.
I'm just really enjoying myself. I'm enjoying the ambition of this morning. Doing eye makeup that's like a little bit more extreme, doing a winged eyeliner, putting some eyeshadow on, you feel me, will make people look at that instead of what is under here, which are bags that I have not gotten rid of since I was 10. I'm not even lying. Winged eyeliner is a great distraction from that. I recommend. I highly recommend. Yeah. I am stressing. I don't know. I don't know about the wing highlighter. I don't know. Okay. All right. It's not raining today too, because I do not really do makeup when it's raining. I don't do makeup. I don't want to do that much. I want to do less, actually. Because I want to film after work, right? So I want to be looking cute, you feel me? But, which I just realized, I don't know, I normally wear a bandana, especially when it's colder. I had my black one and a dark blue one. I can't find either.
This part of the video, y'all, when I was editing it and I first saw this part of the video for the first time, I was like, what? No offense to me or anything, but why are you such an idiot? Abby, what are you doing?
This is the night, the moon is so bright. Seriously though, where the heck that on me?
Oh, I don't know, maybe check around your neck.
Where did this little dweeb go?
Like, I can't even blame it on the time of day, it being early, because that is just me 24/7. Like, that is just me all the time.
Disrespect. I'm gonna stop looking at it, because then I'm gonna touch it and then I'm gonna mess it up and then I'm going to hate myself and hate everything in the world, because no, it didn't smudge. We're gonna ignore it like we do all of our other problems. It is time to leave. It is time to head out. I'll see you in the car, because it is 3. Vámonos. Heißblöcke.
Oh! I thought the cap fell off this, but it's all good. It's fine. Ah! I'm not okay. I do use the radio. A lot of people are like, oh, my broke life. I don't use the radio anymore, but I don't always want to connect my Bluetooth speaker, you feel me? When you're in the ghetto, you gotta lock your doors. Lock your doors and turn the lights down. Anyway. It's that type of neighborhood, don't. So, you can... No, I broke again. I use the radio because I'm too lazy to connect the Bluetooth speaker. I don't got time to connect the Bluetooth speaker, and I don't have unlimited data, yo. Everybody out here balling, I get it, and y'all are flexing. I do understand. I am living in the limited data world, so where was I going with this? So radio is not a terrible thing. You know, I got my stations. I got the bass turned all the way up, which sounds really weird in a car that has all plastic interface, but pine wood front here, at least in my mind. Why did the light just go off? I need to get out of here. All the songs on that channel sound the same. We also might just driving quiet because, to be honest, I'm not doing too well in the mind department right now, so I think it would be better if I just have some quiet to start out the drive.
It is another morning. I forgot to say, a lot of the time I actually sleep with my contacts in so that my morning is faster. How sanitary that is, I mean, I don't really know. Basically, I sleep when I should be napping, and then I nap at nighttime when I should be getting rest, because otherwise, like, you gotta go to bed at like 5 p.m. but ain't nobody gonna do that because I am young and stupid and don't know how to take care of my health. So we go to bed at like 10, 11, and then we wake up at 2. We're surviving. I don't know if we're thriving, but like, well, we like a little bit of audacity. I say that because today is supposed to rain, so my sister did do my braids for me last night. I mean, like a couple hours ago. Hey, going to bed at 5 p.m. you feel me, is that I'm not tired. I would eat like 1 meal per day at that point because I'm just not hungry, like in that pattern. I wouldn't be able to work out. I wouldn't be able to fall asleep because I'm just not tired. So I tried it. It don't really work for me. So I don't know why I did my baby hairs, because it's gonna rain and that's not gonna last very long. I didn't really think of that until now. It's the thought that counts. Oh, this song in the morning. Bruh, that song has me awake and that song has me heated up. I'm not as cold as I was before, so that's dope. I'ma head out. Don't always have coffee, it kind of depends. I feel like I gotta struggle through life without coffee sometimes, you feel me? Because I don't want to become really dependent on coffee. I want to be able to function without it. I don't know. I feel like it's okay. Oh, frick, did that just smudge?